Really sleepy na. I don't know, Nay.
Asan na ba yung daddy niya?
Where's your milk, be?
Asan yung milk mo?
Look at the face. The only way to make him sleep, like that. Like what mommy used to do to me. And milk. Look at that baby.
Tinanong ng News 8 sina Panapia at Silo kung sino ang nagsiso ng bali. Sabi nila, ibinigay ito sa kanila ng vice-alcalde ng bayan ng Acatua, si Rasul Saki. Experts daw kasi sila ng ospital.
Look at his position na.
Si Saki ay nilalang kaalyado ng mga Acatuan. Pero nagtanong yung tungkol sila
Hindi lang makakakuha ng pwesto.
He's really sleepy na, but just can't get the right position. That's why he moves too much. Good night, Mommy. Good night, Baba. I love you both.